If you love Turban Headwrap styles coins, you will love
So
this.
let's take our jersey material from front like this to the back. Okay, and let's cover the back like this, and we're going to bring it forward and tie a knot in the center like this. Okay, see, snugly. And what I'm going to do right now, take one of the hand and wrap it. I'm just going to wrap it around that band, the very first band that we created until I exhaust the material. Okay, and as you can see, this is the tip. I'm just going to tuck it in, and I have something like this, and I'm going to take this and just like this and tuck in the hands of it. And here you have a very nice looking and simple turban style for your everyday look. Okay, what do you think? It's a very simple way you can elevate your turban game. And if you like, you can add a brunch to make it more unique.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share this tutorial with somebody.
If you're in a hurry, this is one of the simplest style you can tie on the go. Okay, with your jersey fabric, take it from front. Okay, I'm going to take it around my hair. Let me put my hair in ponytail. Okay, now my hair is in ponytail. It will be easier for me to style this head wrap. Okay, take it from front to back, cross it at the back, bring it forward like this, twist, 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 and then take it to the other side and tuck it at the back. Tuck in the hands of it, and here you have your very simple turban head wrap style for your everyday look. This is what the back looks like. And you can do something like this, take it out and just roll it to form a knot. And then here you have another style. Which one is your favorite style? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching.